Hello friends, today we will examine the installation of the Torima model IP camera with you. Let's start by opening our box and see what materials come out of it. There's a camera, a handle, a few screws and micro USB cable in the box. We will only use the cable for installation now. I had a little difficulty opening the camera because I had to use one hand because I'm shooting video. Sorry about that. Now let's connect the camera USB cable to power supply and then plug into the port on the back of the camera. Let's wait a few seconds while the camera switches on. If you are setting up the first time, you may see a warning like waiting for connection. If you have a problem, you can restart the camera by pressing the reset button on the camera. It automatically connects the Wi-Fi network because I had connected to it before.
Connecting. Network connected.
We will use the V380 Pro application to take an image of the camera. You can download and install V380 Pro from Google Play Store and App Store. When you open the app, create an account with your Gmail or phone number and click on the plus icon to add the camera to the app. You will need to introduce the Wi-Fi connection to the camera. It works best to scan the QR code from 10 cm away at this light angle. Once the setup is complete, you will be able to view the camera's image instantly from the app. The resolution is quite good, especially from home security. Furthermore, this camera has night vision spot, so it's performed well in low light. This is not sponsored content. It's a model I prefer for my own home, and I hope this installation quite will be useful to you. Thank you for watching. See you in other videos. Goodbye.